You know what? Been in this fucking police force now for 15 years. 15 fucking years. Getting shot at, stabbed. Fuck this, man. Fuck this. All them little youths out there thinking they're bad. They don't know bad. Corruption. I fucking show them corruption. I'm gonna run the fucking streets. I'm setting up my own fucking pension now. I've had enough of working like this. I want a better fucking life. Things are gonna change around these streets now. I'm gonna run the show and all them little youths out there are gonna be running it for me. Me, cause I'm one corrupt fucking copper. See, you can judge me, you can look at me, but this is fucking me. This is real life.
All I do is build, all they do is trap. Yo, strongest in the field, conscious and I'm black. They bringing me them deals, I'm knocking them on back. Yo, talk